Annabelle. What? Do you want to make slimes? That she left a recipe. No. No, don't do it. Yes, do it. Come on. Oh, fine, I guess. My whoa, watch it. See it? Okay, so let's go get what we need. Yeah, so we need glue. Glue, a cup. What's this for a cup? What else? Uh, I can't really read this because I'm learning. What does it say? You need a bow, bow. Can you help me read this? Sure, girls. It's a ball. You need a ball. A ball. I found one. I just found one. Oh, good. What else? Food coloring. Oh, I just found some chilling around too. I guess that's it. We need water, but we. So first, let's follow the ingredients. Okay, first, go grab some water. Okay. You gotta grab some water. Got the water. Okay, I got the water. Okay. Now, so first, pour some glue in. Okay. Okay. Oh no, this. What else? Next, the water. Okay. Oh no. Oh yes, we need something to mix with. I didn't see that, I guess. Oh well. No, I missed. We need some salt. Okay, salt. I found this whole container of salt. Okay. Good. Chelsea's playing for slime. Okay. Put some salt in. Okay. Then add the food coloring. Bloop, bloop. And it doesn't look like slime. Girls, you gotta mix it. Oh, let's mix this in. Okay, continue. Wow, it really looks like slime now. Let's take it out and play with it. But first, I gotta clean up. All clean. Now let's take it out. Wow, it feels all sticky. Oh, How about let's share it? You get half and I get half. Yeah, let's do. There you go, Annabelle. Thanks. So weird. I know. I love this one. I know. Cool. It's like the same exact thing as Chelsea. Girls, I'm coming up. I'm getting the elevator now. Oh no! Barbie's coming! We gotta hide! Our slime, yeah! Oh, it's right on the table, yeah. Hope it stays. Oh no, it doesn't stay. Oh no, it's stuck to my hair! A tiny peek on your backs, yeah. Hi girls, what are you doing? Has anyone seen the girl? It's downstairs. Oh, okay. Barbie didn't see her slime. Yeah, good. Yes, we made our own slime. Yeah, wow. It looks exactly like mine. Good job, girl. Yeah. Girls, glue wasn't up here. Oh no, Barbie! Hey, what? Hey, what just weird in my head? Slime? Girls, you're not supposed to have it. Now it's Chelsea's. No, but Barbie, come on. Fine, girls. Wow, you made this perfect. Fine, girls, I'll let this slide this time, but no more slime. Okay, Barbie, promise, no more slime, yeah. We were gonna get it. Okay. Ow. Oh, sorry. Okay, girls, bye. Now, no more slime. Okay, we promise, yeah. You gotta have my permission to make it next time. But no more slime allowed in this house except for that one. Okay. Or else Chelsea's big galaxy slime. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Chloe loves slime. Yay.